Yes. Doug and I were just reminiscing about the big snow, but they're very rare. Let me show you the full list. All right, now keep in mind these records go back to 1899, so that's about 120 Christmases. And yeah, that was back in 1926. We got a 2-inch snow. But this is not instances where snow was on the ground on Christmas Day, because remember, 11 years ago there was a huge snow on Christmas Eve day. But for the most part, Christmas snow on the day of Christmas, a rarity. And we'll talk about that Christmas forecast in just a moment. Here's the time lapse as we close the day. Sunset 5:24. These are the shortest days of the year. A lot of clouds. We still got a glimpse of the sun as it was leaving. Right now it's 52 in North Dallas. A little bit of a north wind. Temperatures got up to about 55 degrees today at the airport. So it was a cooler than average high just by a degree because we had all this cloud cover around for most of the day, but this system is going to give us some rain chances, not during the day tomorrow night. Tomorrow starts with some fog. Yeah, some fog to start the day. I think the thickest part of the fog will probably be parts of Paris and Sulphur Springs. That's where we run the risk of having some travel concerns. There could be some patchy fog around the Metroplex. Of course, Jeff Jamieson tomorrow morning keep you updated on the possibility of some thick fog around tomorrow morning in our northeast counties. Now, future sky forecast, here it is across the evening hours into Wednesday early morning hours. That's the rain I'm talking about. It's tomorrow night and into Wednesday all the way into the afternoon, at least into our eastern counties, Mineola up to Sulphur Springs, Gainesville even. You might even see some of this rain in the afternoon still. Temperatures will still get into the 60s, but it looks like a minor rain event. A few thunderstorms are in the mix there, so some isolated areas get some decent rains, but it ends up, I think that today will be the coolest day of the rest of the work week as temperatures look to be above average for this time of year. Again, that average is 57 degrees. Okay, let's talk about Christmas. Rain chances on Christmas. A white Christmas? No. This system's going to come through and give us a chance of rain, maybe on Christmas Eve day, on Christmas Day itself. Then this system comes in and gives us a really good chance of rain after Christmas. Right now, we'll put only about a 20% coverage. By the way, this setup would be light rain on Christmas Day, and then afterwards, that major system comes through and gives us a couple of chances of a bigger rain. But right now, we think the temperatures will be mild at least, not only on Sunday, but Monday and on Christmas Day itself. We had Christmas Day with enough of a southeast wind, you can get temperatures into the 60s. But the 7-day forecast shows a couple of days in a row of temperatures in the 60s. They return Friday and into the weekend. Then another cold front arrives Sunday and knocks those temperatures down heading into Christmas Eve. But here's that rain chance tomorrow night on Wednesday, a minor rain event. Most of the time, the weather will